My tender-hearted students, ladies and gentlemen, all respectable teachers of today's program, all who are present here, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. We are very grateful by the presence of our honorable guest, because we can introduce our renowned institution, Razargaon High School, that this school has everything, but we have not any computer lab to keep pace with the modern world. So I request all the guests so that you can manage a computer lab for this institution, so that we can give education to our tender-hearted students properly. Students are the asset of this country. They are the future generation. If we can lead them properly, our nation will be developed. So, I request to develop our country, we get a computer lab for this institution. This is my message to all of my tender-hearted students. You will lead this country. The significance of students is great. If you want anything from you have already wanted your necessary things from your guest, but we hope our guest will consider the necessary issue. My tender-hearted students, you know, now a student can a lot of things. A student lead the nation before, and a student lead the nation now, and a student can lead the nation after. Do you know the history of the students? If you remember the history of language movement, you get the contribution of the student for this country. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the then Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka, Urdu will be the only state language of Pakistan. The student of Dhaka University protest against the declaration of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. They brought out a peaceful possession defying section 144. When the possession reached near Dhaka Medical College, police opened fire on the innocent students. Rafiq, Salam, Jabbar, Sofir were killed at the incident. The fire of agitation was raised in the eastern part of the country. At last, the government of Pakistan was compelled to declare Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan. Not only that, but also students contributed in our liberation war. On the night of 25th March 1970 past, Pakistani army brutally committed genocide on unarmed civilian Bengalis in the name of Operation Searchlight. All the students, they kill a lot of students. But When students sacrifice their life, we get the independence of our country. My dear student, before 6 months ago, a student wanted job to be based on merit rather than the quota system. But the government, our former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and the other authorities denied their demand and prohibited their movement. The authority kills a lot of আয়োজিত অনুষ্ঠানের বার্ষিক অনুষ্ঠানের সম্মানিত অতিথিবৃন্দ, আপনাদের কাছে আমাদের আর্নিং রিকোয়েস্ট, আপনারা দয়া করে আমাদের জন্য কম্পিউটার ল্যাবের ব্যবস্থা করবেন এবং আমি আমার সংক্ষিপ্ত বক্তব্য এই বলে শেষ করলাম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।